Biggest sucker beer, 1 liter bottle, 15 soles. Price of a t-shirt. Oh wow. Gracias, man.
Isn't that good? That's some good beer pouring.
Sure you've done it many times.
I actually have not.
Thank you, boy.
I don't drink beer.
Let's just try it. This one's light. We had it before. Yeah, look, it's bigger than your head. Drink it like. Yeah. Come on. Hola. Buenas noches.
Bien, ¿cómo están?
Oh.
Ok, ahí lo ven. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo están? ¿Bien?
Yeah. Oh.
Hola, ¿cómo están? Hello, ¿cómo están?
Whoa.
So you make ceviche.
Sí.
Okay. Hey, YouTube.
Ay, ok.
I sing.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
YouTube.
yeah.
Okay, and I tell people come.
Ya,
Okay.
ya, acá puede ser.
Oh, okay. Gracias. Oh, okay. Michelle, you got your camera?
Es el ceviche de trucha, es típico peruviano,
Ajá.
con peruviano, de Machu
Okay.
Picchu.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
Good.
sí.
And they always use trout. Like, what do you say trout?
Trota.
Trouta, right? Always here.
La ya.
Oh my God! Look at
La
that.
trucha.
Wow.
Whoa, that's fresh.
Ya, es
Look at that. Cool. Oh, it looks like a hunk of salmon.
ajá.
Nice.
Grande.
Whoa, very nice.
Ajá. Ya, ok.
Okay.
El proceso es cortarlo.
Yeah, you cut it. Okay. You take the photo. I'm just videoing.
Es para ceviche.
Uh-huh. Oh. Look at that.
Okay.
Look at that. That's sushi grade. Wow.
Un bolo pequeño de pasar.
That's nice. Trouta. Wow, that's a lot of fish, eh? Look at that, boy.
Es para un plato es esto.
Okay, that's one plata. Okay,
Yeah.
that's one plate. That's a big order.
Sí.
Okay, so now what's he gonna do?
Va a tener una vía.
Okay, he puts it in the bowl. That's one order. Wow, look at that. Nice. Okay.
Ya.
Okay.
Acá va sal.
Salt?
Ya. Sal.
Very clean here.
Es sal.
Okay, salt. Yeah.
Pimienta sacamos lo que un poco.
Okay.
Salsita.
Uh-huh.
Un poquito gusto. Para
What's
dar
that?
gusto.
Oh. Oh, pepper. Okay, pepper.
Acá.
Okay. And he's got pepper.
Okay. Es picante, chile.
Oh, chile.
Uh-huh.
Picante. Yeah.
Chile.
Chili. Oh, nice.
Limón.
Oh, limon.
Zumo.
Ah, that's what cooks it. You know that?
Wow.
A lot of limon. That's the tiger juice. Ah, that's the limon. Now he mixes that. That's cooking it basically now. Ah. More limon. Oh. You must come here to eat.
El culantro.
Oh, coriander, yeah, coriander, yeah. Oh, nice, some coriander.
Un poquito.
Uh-huh. A little
Un
bit.
poco de pescado, su zumo.
Oh, that's the fish stock.
Ya.
Yeah, fish stock, the juice from the fish. That's, now you got tiger's milk. That's really, and that's a special juice.
Así.
Ah, that's a special juice.
Con la cucharadita de pasta, ¿no?
Ah. See, now it's cooking, right? See, the juice cooks it.
Es onion, cebolla.
Oh, okay, some onion. Oh, yummy. And now he's so funny, this guy. Mixing it up. Looks very delicioso. Oh, now he's putting it on the plate. Ah, look at that. It's gonna let you try. Oh, gracias. Oh my god, that's so good. My god. Oh, that is so good. Forget. Oh my god. It's so good. It's better than your sashimi. It's so good. Oh my god, that's very good. Oh.
It's a camote.
Okay. Sweet potato, yeah.
Yeah.
Potato. Oh my god, that's so good. Forget sashimi. That's so good. More onions. Look at that. Now he pours all that. Look, that's a lot of fish. Oh my god. Holy crap, that's a lot. Hey girls, where are you? Here, we're watching. What's his name? You can ask him his name. Oh my god, that's for like. Look at all that fish, man. Wizard? Is that good? What do you think? That's so good. Some lime. Limon. Let's got some more lime in there. Oh my god, too bad we're not here to try it again. Hold on. YouTube, okay? YouTube. They're gonna be very famous, YouTube. I give you a channel and then you can watch internet, okay? Wow. Seaweed. Oh, seaweed. Ah, nice. Wow, look at that. Some spicy thing. Oh,
Wow.
Okay.
oh, that's it. Yay! Thank you. Oh my god, that's the finished product. And there's the cook. What's your name? What's your name?
Fresco Mar.
Fresco. Okay. Okay, and there's the mother. Oh, okay. And there's, hi. Hello, YouTube.
Thank you very much.
We come to,
Thank you.
everyone come here, eat when you're in Machu Picchu. It's so good, okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
It's,
You're famous already, right?
yeah.
Okay, gracias so much. Oh, okay, they have soup and then some fried rice. Oh, okay, so you have combination, right? Ah, okay, gracias. Oh my god, that is so good. Oh my god, that's crazy. Look at that. How much was that? That's 30. That's like $10.
What's the money? Okay.
$10
What's the money first?
with a beer for 50. That's
What's the
crazy.
money?
So
Not
good.
even looking at me.
What
I don't
an
know
experience, eh? And this is the restaurant again. Come here. Make sure you come here. Okay? Cevicheria. Okay, and this is a very nice thing. No, for you. Ah! And this is the restaurant. Okay, try, eat. Oh, no fork. And here's everyone eating. Let's see how it tastes. How does it compare to sashimi? Hello, no taste? What's the thing?
Big taste. So good. I like sashimi, but this is very good too.
Okay,
It comes with seaweed.
would you get all that for $10? Okay, I'm gonna have some more beer. This is a 1 liter beer for 15 soles. And then look at this plate. It's crazy, ridiculous. Look at this. This is so cheap. It's 30 soles for this big, probably a pound of fish. Whoa. That is nice, sour, fresh. The tiger's milk. Try one. And then there's sweet potato on the bottom. This is good.
Where else have you had ceviche in the world?
Not too many. Did we eat it in Lamar? I think we probably did at Lamar.
Whatever, nothing compares.
It's good.
Ceviche.
Oh my gosh, she gave us free
Chicken.
Okay, thank you.
No chicken.
Oh,
Chilcano.
Thank you.
Esa es leche de tigre.
Oh, leche, oh,
Leche
that's
de
a drink
tigre,
of the
ajá,
wine.
así.
That's the fish sauce. The juice of the fish. The tiger juice. You get some. Oh, these are just more. Just to eat, right? Wow. Okay. Dude, look at that. Special service. Maybe they'll give us more stuff just because we're YouTubers. Cheers to the owners.
Here, you can hold it.
Can't beat this place. Okay, let's eat, guys, and drink.
Try the soup.